Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to filter values based on a drop-down list. So here I have a list of products manufactured in a country with a price. I'd like, for example, to display only the values of the products made in Spain, and I want to do this quickly with a drop-down list and be able to switch between countries. I'm going to show you how to build this with formulas. And I will give you the file, which is going to be right below the video. Of course, this is something that we could do with a filter. If you go into data, filter, you could choose to display only the products from Mexico, for example, and so on. The problem is that you have to switch, you have to make a bit of it's a bit of a complicated manipulation. We want to do this easier just with the click of a button with a drop-down list. So I'm going to show you how to build this. So to start to build my filter, first I have to build my drop-down list. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all the values here and I'm going to put them here. I'm going to remove the duplicate so we have our value to use as the drop-down list. So I'm going to go into data, where is it, remove duplicates. Column E. Okay, so now I have my list of duplicates. I'm going to go into where is it already? Into data validation list, and allow only this list. Okay, so now I have my list of countries to choose from. And now we're going to build the formula. So let's say I only want the products from USA. So first I have to build a filter, and what we're going to do is that we are going to return either the line number if we find the country, or nothing. So we're going to say if the country is USA, if the country is USA, then we display the row number, and otherwise we display nothing. Okay, and so what's going to happen here? It's going to tell me only the lines where I find USA, and then what we're going to do, we could use that then, but the problem is we would have we would have a list with holes in it, with blanks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all these values and put them up one after another on the top. So we're going to say without blanks, and we're going to take the small value, small of, and so we want to take the smallest value of this array, and first we want, and so we're going to take here we're going to take the smallest value, then the second smallest, so each time it's going to be the number of the row minus 1. So 3. If I do this, then I have error here because I don't have any more values. So I'm going to say if this is an error, then I display nothing. I'm going to wrap this into if error to remove errors, like this. And so now we have a list of all the lines to take. And now I think we can build it. So now we're going to say product, we take index in column A, we take the product number 3, 1, 2, 3, we go to the third row, well, it's going to be product 2, we go to the third row, and that's it. So product 2, yeah, basically it's those ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, and then it doesn't work because I don't have any more value. So and say if error of this. If this is an error, then put nothing. Okay, and then I can expand this, and each time it's gonna be the same thing. So country price. So I should be able to just scroll the formula, and here, but here I have to fix the reference, otherwise it won't work. So it's always going to be in column 2, and I'm going to expand the formula, and then if I expand everything, so every time it's going to be USA. So yeah, so quick refresh, so quick wrapper, we filter all the values to get only the lines of the value, the lines that we want. Then we put them at the top to make a nice list. And then we have all the rows to take, and we're going to use index for that. Let's just check that it works. If I put Algeria, it's gonna tell me Algeria 10, 16, 17, 19, 10, 16, 17, 19. Yeah, so it seems to work. So each time you can choose a different country and have all the whole list of the product. So it seems to work. That's cool, and that's much easier than using a filter to do that if you only want to display a set of values. So I'll don't forget to download the file with all the formulas, because it's a bit complicated. It's going to be right below the video, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you will be notified as soon as I publish it. See you tomorrow, champions. Ciao.